hanging hardware, cleats, and these packs come with every print. Inside these packs, we have 2 wall anchors. These things are awesome. You don't really need much more than those to even hang some of our biggest prints. Screws, little bumpers, and a basic level. These you want to put on the inside of your inner box mounts. If you want. Some people really like that flush all the way tight to the wall fill. These will prevent that from happening, but they will also prevent you from marring up your walls. Your choice. I like to use them because I don't like painting walls. But if you don't plan on moving it for a long time, then it doesn't really matter anyways. Okay, boom, done. Next, you would take this guy, find your area of the wall you'd hang, and let's go to that. These little levels, they don't need to do much. All you need them for is when you're marking your lines. We'll check your level. Bada bing, bada boom. That's that. At that point, this channel here, not this one. This is not that channel. This channel here. Simply hooks onto it. Double check your levels if you want. Perfect. And that's it. And obviously this can hang. It's the same method or whatever. But that's that. No big deal. It's cleats on the wall. You can make sure that thing sinks in there.